All right, welcome back everyone and happy Thursday. Today starting off a little bit different than yesterday. Checking out the radar here, you can see this large storm in the Midwestern U.S. There's snow, there's rain, everything in between. This has been moving through now for a while. So this area of the country getting some pretty strong precipitation, whether that is snowfall or rainfall. There's a lot going on in the Midwest. But if you look at the radar, Montana looks fairly dry here. But looking at the satellite, you can see all this moisture in the Midwest, and there's some moisture in Montana as well. It's actually snowing around the capital city, but you wouldn't be able to tell that from the radar because it looks so dry. But on the satellite, you can see that moisture a little bit better because the satellite goes from above, radar is on the ground. So sometimes the radar just doesn't pick up some of the snow that we're getting here in other areas that don't have a radar in the area. So in Helena, our closest radar is in Great Falls, so it's not picking up the snow that's falling this morning, but it is snowing outside if you take a look outside. But on the radar here, you can see not really anything happening around the capital city. So a little bit of snow this morning. It's not very heavy, but just a little bit starting out this morning, and that's going to continue here for the next couple of hours. You can see a couple of blips on the radar here just in the hills north of the Helena Valley, but other than that, it looks like it's pretty dry if you check the radar, but as we know, looking outside, it certainly is not. So in terms of severe weather, this snow that's happening right now really is not going to get severe for today. We have some stronger snow coming later on this weekend, but the only real watch or warning situation we have right now is this dense fog advisory for the Rocky Mountain Front, Cut Bank, this area up here. So this is only going to go until 7 a.m. So that will be expiring here in the next couple of minutes, about an hour from now actually. So just low visibility on the roadways out there this morning. Just going to want to keep it slow out there. Give yourself a little extra time if you're traveling early in the morning, but by the time the sun comes out, that should start to really dissipate. We'll get some clearer conditions. So for the rest of today, you can see on future track here that snow really continuing throughout the rest of the day, but it's not really going to be heavy snow, just a little bit of light snowfall. And that will start to move into Great Falls later on this afternoon. There is a chance of some snow, but that is certainly going to be a higher chance in the capital city than in the Electric City for today. So that'll be clearing out by later on this evening. And tomorrow we are going to have partly sunny skies, so a little bit more sunshine for your Friday. You can see those clouds clearing off by the evening time, but there is a lot more weather coming right behind it. This system coming late Friday evening into early Saturday, so it's really going to start to move into our area by Saturday, but you can see it was well on its way by Friday evening. That will be moving in by Saturday. So Saturday we will get a little bit of a mix of rain and snow, and if it's any snow, it's going to be those heavy wet snowflakes. So that is going to be what it's looking like for Saturday. Sunday, as the temperature drops again, we'll get some more of that snowfall after the rainy snow. So as the temperatures drop after that rain comes through, we could get a little bit of a layer of ice on the roads and then refreezing with snow on top. So if you still have traveling yet to do for the holidays this weekend, might get a little dicey out there for Sunday and Saturday after that rainy, snowy situation. But for today, pretty light snowfall. It's going to be a chilly day again, not really breaking the freezing point. And then tomorrow, clearing up a little bit. That warmer day on Saturday looks nice to have a day in the 40s, but with rain and snow, it's not going to be too beautiful out there. We have kind of a yucky day on Saturday, but then lots of snowfall to end the end of 2018, if you can believe that. I can't believe we're already at the end of the year here.
I know. Not much, but those snow lovers will like the little bit that we'll see.
Yes, it will be nice.
All right, thanks, Katie.